Well, cleanup begins by taking down this remaining part of this tree that's been left behind. So they didn't take it down earlier because it would just be in the way. So it's now time for this to go down and these guys to do some heavy pulling to make it happen.
Whoa!
He just whistled for the backhoe to come over. Watch this trick. So the rule process here of this tree was to first cut it into segments, which is what he's doing here. So you'd cut it, and then you'd actually stick wedges in, some plastic kind of wedges to hold it at that position. Then roll it, if you will, halfway down the hill, and then cut the underside of the log. And they've got people in place, and they stuck other logs there to help prevent the log from rolling all the way down the hill. It's hard to tell here, but it's quite a slope down towards that house. So I was actually happy to see plenty of guys and plenty of wedges there to keep the logs from getting away from them. Then once they were cut, then they'd take them down the hill, which we'll see plenty of, which is actually cool to see because they could take it down to the trailer and play catch with the backhoe. And now here we're seeing the trailer full of logs going right next door to my neighbor's, where they're going to get dropped off so he can split them and have wood for his wood-burning stove all winter long.
Hey!
Almost time for the drive away here. Yep. Yep.
Well,
You got a project now. You've got a project.
I do.
honestly say, despite the the hard labor nature of this kind of job, these guys really seem to be having fun. You'll kind of see them cutting up here a bit, and it's a Friday before a holiday weekend. I'm sure they were enjoying getting this job done and having a chance to maybe get away from things for a bit. But it was just really fun to watch these guys work. They were a good team. They worked well together. They seemed to be enjoying themselves. Just couldn't master anything better from this group. As we pan around the yard here, you can see that they're still cleaning up, but most of the stuff's done. They're loading the vehicles up, and the backhoe is going to go away. Watch this trick with the backhoe. It's pretty awesome. Helps because it doesn't rip up my driveway. It's just gravel, so that little maneuver to lift the skids off the ground to turn was pretty nice. So yeah, just really cool to watch these guys finish up, get everything cleaned up. We'll have one more video here as I kind of walk around the yard and do the conclusion, but you can see the difference this work has done, especially as we pan up and look to see what this area looks like over here without this big tree.